All praises to Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai, Brakatha Yahweh, Brakatha Yahweh Shai, Brakatha Yahweh, Brakatha Yahweh Shai, Brakatha Yahweh, Brakatha Yahweh Shai, Kal Halal Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai, Bahasham Rakah Kadash. Give double honors to our apostles of Great Millstone and to our brothers out there on the highways and hedges teaching His truth in sincerity. This video is how, this shows you how Esau bugs out. Esau bugs out, man. Yeah? It's only the men that serve in Yahweh Basham Yahshai and reading the scriptures, yes, and understanding it, knows the signs, right, that is coming. The signs of this kingdom, the signs of this world, this evil kingdom. And Yahweh Basham Yahshai said not to fear these strange sounds or strange happenings or anything, right? That's where our faith lies in Yahweh Basham Yahshai. So we shouldn't fear anything that's happening strange. And things are happening now, right? And glory be to Yahweh Basham Yahshai. He is showing us His power. Look at this video. How Esau's bugging out.
T. Wilson, WSO, happy Saturday to you. Hopefully you're getting some rest. And if you're having to work and stuff like that, hopefully it's going well. We need to talk about this, guys. This is not, as you know, if you've been following WSO for any length of time or have been in the Truther movement, you know that in South America we've seen unusual cases where the water is receding from the shorelines in very mysterious ways. We talk about this because when you think about the kinds of cosmic things that are happening right now around us that have been hidden from us, okay? When this type of an event happens, understand when the water goes 100 feet off shore, and you can see the boats all like lining up here. And by the way, credit to Tyler at Secure Team. He's the one who brought this to my attention today, and then a couple of subscribers did. Just wanted to just a shout out to you, Tyler. Good job on that article today. But I want to expound on it because Tyler wasn't going to address it the way I address it. I address this like this, okay? There is only one thing we know that affects the tides. That is called the moon, okay? It's a celestial body that rotates around the earth, that thing. And we know that we've gotten really good at, predicting tides in the history of mankind. So my question is, if it's not the moon that's causing this, what is causing it? Where is this water going? Is this part of that weird take that they had earlier in the week that we talked about, where they were talking about how the weight of the ocean water is pushing down on the ocean floor? Still doesn't add up, does it? None of that adds up. The only plausible explanation, as far as I'm concerned, I'd like to hear your comments on it. This is just me. Is that the water is being sucked away from the shore by a outside celestial object, i.e. a planet X or one of its bodies. We came to find out through insider information to confirm that we're looking at a 6-planet system with 67 moons and a nemesis sun that is unbelievably huge compared to what we've seen as human beings on the Earth, okay? So you've got this happening, you've got these things floating around out there, and we have plenty of evidence to prove it. I'm not going to apologize for it anymore, I can tell you that. And the only thing I could say that would cause this type of phenomenon would be a planetary body or a huge object of some sort that had its own electromagnetic gravitational pull that would do this. Now the question is, where did this water go? And a lot of times, we know that the water bulges around the equator normally. But what I'm wondering is, where is this water going? Is it one of those kind of things that when it lets go that a tsunami will happen? Well, we didn't see that happen in Brazil earlier in the year and things like that, but it's just so unusual.
Here's a scripture, right? Luke 21, verse 25 to 26, and it reads, "And there shall be signs in the sun, and in the moon, and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations with perplexity, and the sea and the waves roaring, men's heart failing them for fear, and for looking after those things which are coming on the earth, for the powers of heaven shall be shaken. Yes? Signs, man, signs. But these Esau bug out.
Well, the other question I have for it is, why is it just isolated to South America? Is it because the water is primarily being pulled from the south, where we see all those strange objects in the South Pole and Antarctica? You know, again, this is the kind of thing that you look for when you're talking about. And by the way, credit to Strange Sounds for putting this article together yesterday. And I'm referring to it so that I can show the pictures and then go. I'll leave the link below so you can go check out the article yourself. But you know, you see something like this, and these are the kinds of things that just confirm the Planet X Nibiru, wormwood theory, guys.
Whatever.
And it's disturbing. And these are the least of what we would be seeing, right? We would expect this to increase in intensity over time. So if WSO is correct in terms of this phenomenon being caused by these celestial objects, I would look for more and more of this happening. The question is, how would we know unless somebody really reported on it, you know? So here's my question, and I really would love this. Anybody that lives in a coastal area and any of this thing like this happens, I want to know about it. I need you to send me an email at olson.steven.d@gmail.com so I can see it. And then again, we've got, this strange...
You see, Esau bugs out on things they're not in control of. They have to know. They have to see it with their own eyes in order to believe or to find out what is the truth. But the truth is Yahweh Basham Yahushai, right? In nothing, anything that we go through, anything strange, right? It is of the Lord. Yes, Yahweh Basham Yahushai. Now this is 1 Peter 4:12. Beloved, think it not strange concerning the fiery trial. So we go through all of a trial that we go through in life, whether it's good or bad or fearful or scary or unusual, right? Which, you see, we should not think it strange, because it's of the Lord. Yes, I read it again. Beloved, right? Beloved, think it not strange concerning the fiery trial, right? Which is to try you. Anything you go through is to try you. As though some strange happening. As though some strange thing happened unto you. Right? So whatever happens unto you, that seems unnormal. There's the signs in the sky. Anything to do with life, right? That seems weird, unusual. It's all of Yahweh Basham Yahushai, not to fear, right? But these devils there, they just panic of everything. Panic about anything that seems strange. But it's going to be too late.
Strange, phenomenon, the weather and the horrible results of the weather in the Northeast, all pointing towards, our theory, really, you know what I mean? And so let me move on to a couple other different things here. But anyway, very interesting, right? Very strange. So I'll have a lot of pictures later in a later video. Lots of material coming in right now, guys. And again, it comes back to, the reason why I'm getting so many excellent pictures these days is because it's getting easier to see, right? And it's getting easier to photograph, and it's getting easier to look at. But here's from Farewell Split today, and it was a video that was sent by a subscriber, the link. Thank you to the subscriber that did that. But basically this looks at the sunrise this morning, and let me play it. And the first thing that I want you to notice is, you see how we have that water and that weird angle right there? I think it's more like a 30-degree angle maybe. I said 45 before when Star was doing the experiment. But again, check it out. Because we have that reflective surface there,
Anyway, no matter what kind of theory they think of or, what they believe in, it's all about Yahweh Basham Yahushai. He's in control of everything. Good, bad, evil, wicked, beautiful, sweetness, everything. He's in control of everything, right? So, take heed, brothers and sisters. Any signs, it's of Yahweh Basham Yahushai. So, with that, I give all praises to Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai, forever and ever. Amen.